In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a prepaid Visa gift card. By the end, you'll know exactly what these cards are, where to get them safely, and how delivery works, so you can start using one with confidence. A prepaid Visa gift card is a Visa-branded card that you load with a set amount of money up front. It works much like a debit card when you pay online or in stores, wherever Visa is accepted. The key difference is that it's not linked to a bank account. You can only spend the balance you've loaded, which makes it a simple, secure option for gifting or for budgeting your own purchases. To get started, open a trusted site. Stick to official retailers such as major online marketplaces, reputable gift card websites like giftcards.com or vanillagift.com, or the online stores of well-known retailers. Using established sellers helps you avoid counterfeit cards, hidden traps, or sketchy fees. Before you proceed, glance at the site's URL for the secure padlock icon and read any fee disclosures so there are no surprises at checkout. Next, navigate to the gift cards section and select the Visa prepaid gift card option. You'll typically see choices for digital eGift cards and physical plastic cards. If you need something fast or plan to use it online, the eGift route is quick and convenient. If you want something to hand over as a present or to swipe in person, a physical card is a great pick. Choose the amount you want to load onto the card. Many sites offer preset values and sometimes let you enter a custom amount within a limit. Keep in mind, there may be a purchase fee on top of the card value, and some cards have inactivity fees after a period with no use. It's worth checking whether the card can be used internationally or only domestically, and whether the merchant allows partial payments if your purchase exceeds the card balance. Add the card to your cart and proceed to checkout. Enter your payment details carefully and double-check the email address or shipping address you provide, since that determines how you'll receive the card. If there's an option to register a billing zip code for online purchases, that can help reduce declines at checkout later. For delivery, eGift cards are generally sent to your email almost instantly with the card number, expiration date, and security code. Save that email and check your spam folder if it doesn't arrive promptly. Physical cards are shipped to your address and may arrive already activated or with simple activation instructions. Once you receive your card, keep the details secure, hold on to your receipt, and enjoy spending it wherever Visa is accepted.